Hi guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you guys are returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be about the Boxyluxe this month. So I, among many other Boxycharmers, I think they call it charmers, got an email saying that, oh, you know, when you didn't get all your items that you actually wanted, blah, 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 blah. If you didn't know about that, some people got an email stating that they were gonna get the items that they wanted, but not this month, next month. So whether or not that's gonna ship out in a totally different box or in the box that they're getting, I don't know. Some people got also some charms. I think it was like 500. I was one of those, or in that category. So yeah, I opened up my box the minute I got it, because the minute I got the email. It was like so weird how that lined up. So I opened it up and I was like, what do you mean I didn't get what I wanted? So yeah, their survey, really quickly, I'm gonna just touch base on that, was very misleading, because when I had got my box, I had went to see, well, if I didn't get what I wanted, how did that pan out? And so I was watching the actual video from Boxycharm saying that you're gonna get either this, this, or this. Well, in the survey, I was under the assumption that you were gonna pick between, granted they were the same items, but not the items that they were actually against. I thought I was gonna get either the water bottle or the straightener, for example, not a palette versus the straightener. Not straightener, why did I say that? It's a curling iron or curling wand. Whatever, you guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah. So with that put aside, I want to keep this video super quick. We're gonna get started into the actual items that I did get. Okay, so the theme was all access. I got 8 items in this month's box, and we got skincare, makeup, and I think, well, that's all skincare and makeup related. So the first item that I got retails for $29, and that's the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, which is this pretty right here. I can't remember if I picked this palette or if I picked another palette. There was stuff going on that they were, you know, having you pick, but yet they didn't even have all the items ready, which I thought that was bizarre. But I mean, whatever. I mean, I like this palette. I can't really complain too much. Here are the shades. Perfect for fall, you know. Even spring I could see, because there's a pink in there, a dusty rose. You know, pretty much it'll carry you from fall to spring. So that one was $29. The next was that was a variation, by the way. The next item was not a variation. Everybody got this, and it was the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. That retails for $52. Now, I already had a sample of this that I had gotten from someplace, I can't remember where I had got it from, and I have never even used it, and I'm like, wow, I got like a full size. So this is the bottle here. This is the packaging that it came in. It's supposed to be a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe signs of irritation. Okay. Okay, this sealed. I believe it's a very lightweight formula. Oh yeah, actually. Oh yeah, it feels, oh, that's actually quite nice. It is lightweight, so that's a plus. Can't complain about that item whatsoever. And that one was for, so the next item was Hank & Henry's Blickety Black eyeliner for $20. This eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing, transfer resistant. They're saying it's perfect for those with hooded eyelids. Okay, so I was watching their video and they were saying you have to shake it up. So, ooh, I'm trying to open this. So I'm gonna try to swatch it if I can. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is, this month is gonna be, and partially next month, because I didn't get all my items, it's gonna be like a 3-part video, because I want to use all these items that I got, and I figured that'll be like part 2. This will be part 1. But they said shake it up really good. I should have swatched it before I shook it. Whatever. So, oh wow, That's not bad. Not bad. And it felt really nice. The felt, it's not a felt tip. It's almost like a brush. Like I don't know. That's weird. I've never seen something like that. But it felt really nice, and has a little bit of a sheen, not too much. Then the next item is the Stila Stale Day Liquid Lipstick. I got the shade Rubino. That one retails for $22. Long wearing, full coverage, creamy liquid lipstick, delivers bold, long-lasting color that wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. It's supposed to have vitamin E and avocado oil, and lightweight. I love these deep red tones. Yes, happy about that. And I think everyone got this, or a shade version of this liquid lipstick. And the Hank and Henry, the eyeliner, was something that everybody got across the board. The next was the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette that retailed for $45. Now, as far as my understanding goes, I had picked this palette, and this retails for $45. In the spoilers video, whatever that Boxycharm had done, they had said that it was either this or the straightener. Why do I keep on saying straightener? It's not even a freaking straightener. It's a freaking curling one. So yeah, that's weird because I'm pretty sure I had picked this, and I know I wanted that curling one because I don't have a curling one. So this is the packaging, blah, blah, blah. Oh, this is really heavy. This is super pretty. Okay, so here are the shades. It has the signature Park Avenue Princess Radiant Bronze shade. The waterproof formula adds instant warmth and dimension. Amazon clay, blah, blah, blah. They have some highlighters. Really, I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody can use this in one way or form. So that's not bad. I love the packaging. It feels very, very good and durable. This one was a variation, that much I do know. And it was either the Glow Recipe Pineapple Bright Serum, which is $49, or the Sunday Riley. I wanted the Sunday Riley. I'm trying to open it up. It's not letting me. So here is the box. Oh, there's tape on it. That's why. For $49, it's supposed to brighten and be smoothing. Oh, okay. Formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice, one of the most important sources of natural vitamin C, natural AHA, and bromelain enzymes, infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin. Okay, so I am super glad, because I know now I'm going to get the Sunday Riley. I am super glad that Boxycharm went out of their way to actually give us what we wanted, and we get to keep everything that we didn't want. So hey, so this is what the packaging looks like. It has, you know, a little pineapple-esque stuff going on. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have opened it. I thought it would have been sealed a little bit, but hey. So the pineapple brightening serum, it does say apply 1 to 2 drops onto clean skin and gently pat for optimal absorption. Apply daily, morning and night. Follow with a moisturizer. During the day, use a sunscreen, obviously because of vitamin C, blah, 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 the acid. If you have sensitive skin, use 3 to 4 times a week and gradually increase usage. Oh, okay. That's really cool. This does have hyaluronic acid in it as well. The next item is the, I know I did not want this. Okay, this is one of the things I did not want. I can't remember what this was supposed to be up against, but the next item retails for $69.99, which I find crazy, being that it is from Moda. Okay, the 8-piece brush kit. The exclusive new Moda Studio set is the ultimate must-have for brush fans, with black quilted handles, sleek silver furls, and vegan filaments. These beauties will look smart on any vanity. I mean, they're brushes and they're from Moda. I find it so hard to believe that this thing costs almost $70. Like, it's Moda. I can get it at Walmart. I mean, maybe not this specific, but I mean, you can get Moda brushes at Walmart. Like $3. You know, we got a fluffy brush, a pencil brush, an angled brush, a a big poofy brush, angled blush or contour brush, some packing brushes. Oh, we got a highlighter brush in there, shader, crease, smudger, detail, brow, whatever. So yeah, those are 70. I can't believe this. Still, this pricing, $69.99, you guys, for motor brushes. I don't know. Okay, moving on. The last item on the list everybody got across the board, which is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Balm, leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh hair down, $29. I love leave-in conditioners. Petroleum and mineral oil free, paraben sulfate free. Okay. And you get, let's see, it was 29 and this is 5 ounces. Not bad. If anyone did or does want to know, for the serum, that one was 1 fluid ounce. And the sleeping mask is 1.7 ounces. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you received Boxycharm, if you get their Luxe. Did you get what you guys wanted? Like, what's the deal? Like, I want to know the tea, okay? Also, don't forget to sting that subscribe button, join my little beehive, and share, you guys. Share this video. I don't care who you share it with. Just share it. Post it everywhere. So, yeah, I will catch you guys in my next video.